Imagine shaping the future, building intelligent systems that can learn, predict, and even create. Are you fascinated by the power of artificial intelligence and eager to carve out a high-impact, high-paying career at its very frontier? Then listen closely, because today, we're unlocking the secrets to landing your dream AI machine learning job. Welcome to Business Training Media's Career and Professional Development Series. In today's video, we're exploring how to get an AI machine learning job, your essential guide to navigating this cutting-edge field and securing your place in the AI revolution. The landscape of work is being reshaped by machine learning, a core component of artificial intelligence. Machine learning engineers are the master builders who bridge theoretical AI concepts with practical, scalable solutions. They're designing, constructing, and deploying intelligent systems that power everything from personalized recommendations to autonomous vehicles. According to recent reports, the machine learning engineering job market is projected to skyrocket, with global employment steadily increasing year after year. We're talking about a field that is poised to grow from over $100 billion in 2025 to over $500 billion by 2030. This isn't just about impressive numbers, it's about incredible career potential. Machine learning jobs offer deep intellectual challenges, continuous learning, and the chance to work on truly transformative technology. You might start as a junior machine learning engineer or an associate data scientist, then advance to machine learning engineer, research scientist, or even a machine learning architect, shaping entire AI infrastructures. The earning potential is equally impressive, with a significant portion of roles offering salaries in the $160,000 to $200,000 range for experienced professionals. It's a career path where your skills are in high demand and highly valued. So, how do you become one of these sought-after AI pioneers? Success in machine learning demands a blend of technical prowess and strategic thinking. You'll need strong software engineering fundamentals, deep expertise in machine learning system design, and proficiency in programming languages like Python. Equally vital are skills in data handling, model optimization, and understanding the nuances of different algorithms. Beyond the technical, a keen problem-solving ability, meticulous attention to detail, and effective communication are crucial for collaborating with teams and explaining complex models. While academic degrees in computer science or machine learning are highly valued, the industry increasingly prioritizes proven skills over pedigree. This is where specialized certifications become your secret weapon. They offer a focused, practical pathway to acquire in-demand knowledge and demonstrate your capabilities to potential employers. We've compiled a list of some of the best AI machine learning certifications that can accelerate your career. And remember, we've included direct links to these courses in our description where you can enroll for free. First up, the IBM Machine Learning Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program is designed for aspiring ML professionals, offering a deep dive into supervised, unsupervised, and deep learning, all with hands-on projects and practical applications. Next, explore the AWS fundamentals of machine learning and artificial intelligence. This foundational course from Amazon Web Services provides a solid understanding of AI and ML essentials, including how to leverage powerful AWS services for your projects. Then we have supervised machine learning, regression and classification by deep learning AI. Taught by AI visionary Andrew Ng, this course from Stanford Online and Deep Learning AI gives you the core concepts and practical know-how to build supervised models in Python. Moving on, consider the Microsoft AI and ML Engineering Professional Certificate. This program prepares you to design, deploy, and optimize AI and ML solutions using Microsoft Azure, covering everything from infrastructure to advanced techniques. And finally, The Nuts and Bolts of Machine Learning by Google. This Google-designed course teaches you how machine learning uses algorithms to discover patterns, build models for business problems, and apply both supervised and unsupervised learning techniques. Be sure to watch to the end to find out how you can access free machine learning career guides, articles, online courses, and resources. Ready to take your AI machine learning career to the next level? We've included special links where you can access free courses, comprehensive career guides, and valuable resources to kickstart your journey today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click on the link now. For more professional career guides, insightful articles, free online courses, and other essential skill-building resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. We are truly your partner for career growth. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with anyone aspiring to an AI career. We wish you the absolute best of luck in landing your machine learning dream job. Thank you for watching.